Hello everyone, if you keep getting this error when you're trying to update your Windows, install error 0x80071A2D, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Windows update easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and search for check for updates, and then you're going to go ahead and install the update, but do not restart your computer, just install the update. And once you're done installing the update, then it will ask you to restart your computer. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to click onto here. You're going to hold the shift key on your keyboard and then click restart. Once you do that, you'll be into this menu. You're going to click onto troubleshoot here, and then you're going to go into advanced options. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go into startup settings here. And once you're into startup settings, then you're going to click restart on here. And after that, you'll get this menu once your computer restarts, and then here you're going to press 4 on your keyboard to enable the safe mode. And once you're in the safe mode, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer from the safe mode like normally. And once you restart from there, then the update will install normally and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.